There are many mining sites around the world. Giant, heavy-duty trucks that can weigh over 400 tons fully loaded carry the ore. Off-the-road tires, which support the entire weight of these huge trucks, can have a diameter of more than 13 feet. The tires must be extremely strong so that they can withstand a rugged operating environment with a wide range of road surfaces and weather conditions. There are only a few manufacturers in the world that can build these giant, heavy loader tires. Bridgestone has earned an excellent reputation at mining sites around the world for the strength and durability of its off-the-road tires. Bridgestone believes the first step toward achieving world-class tires that exceed customer expectations is based on the philosophy of Genbutsu Genba, which in English means decision-making based on verified on-site observations. Bridgestone's technical service staff visits mining sites to examine firsthand how tires wear and the condition of tires that are part of the way through their service life. There, they listen to mine workers and use that feedback to help Bridgestone develop the most dependable mining tires based on the actual equipment and sites.
Road surface conditions can vary based on the type of mine. Roads at coal mines are soft and slippery, while the stones at mines for copper and gold are hard. As a result, tires are more likely to suffer damage and may wear out quickly. Therefore, tires need to be selected and supplied so that they conform to the conditions of the particular site. This is why it's important to talk to customers, see where they operate, and analyze the conditions of used tires.
The raw data collected from these various mining sites is immediately analyzed by our technical center and our off-the-road test center. In these facilities, research and development based on the data collected directly on site are conducted so that Bridgestone can manufacture off-the-road tires with superior quality.
Almost all of these tires are made to order. The fact that these tires are made for each individual customer is one of their distinctive features. Product development is conducted as quickly as possible by incorporating on-site data into the next tire manufacturing cycle for each customer. Off-the-road tires use different types of rubber and different component materials depending on the environment in which they'll be used. We're proud to have these professionals choose Bridgestone tires.
These large and ultra-large off-the-road tires for construction and mining vehicles, which are developed based on customers' on-site feedback, are manufactured at 2 plants in Japan and 2 in the United States of America, one in Bloomington, Illinois, and the other in Aiken, South Carolina. Tires are shipped from these 4 plants to mining sites around the world. Bridgestone has accumulated a wealth of specialized manufacturing expertise in large and ultra-large off-the-road tires over its many years of manufacturing. These products, this experience and knowledge, helped us establish advanced technological capabilities in this market segment.
An extremely large number of component materials, more than 100, are used to make ultra-large off-the-road tires. Bridgestone employs a high degree of technical skill to maintain the quality of these products. Knowing that Bridgestone tires are helping produce the raw materials that are essential for economic growth gives us pride in our work.
Before introducing the manufacturing process, let's take a look at the rugged structure of these large and ultra-large off-the-road tires for construction and mining vehicles. A carcass ply made of steel cord is the supporting skeleton of these tires. In addition to holding the structure of the entire tire, this plays an important function in terms of durability to withstand road impact and heavy loads. Beads consist of wires bound together and firmly attach the tire to the wheel. Layers of belts made of steel cords are then attached on top of the carcass ply. This firmly attaches the carcass ply and also enhances the tread durability. The rubber on the side of the tire is the sidewall. The portion in direct contact with the road surface is the tread. The composition of the tread affects the tire's durability against heat and abrasion, and research is conducted on a daily basis to improve the tire's compound. Now, let's look at the manufacturing process. The rubber mixing process takes raw materials and makes the rubber used in various processes. Tire rubber is a mixture of natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon black, sulfur, and various other materials. The mixture is changed according to the part of the tire for which it will be used. And this creates rubber with differing performance qualities. The raw materials are mixed multiple times in the mixing process, and the rubber is formed into sheet strips and cooled. The extruding process soft rubber is extruded and cut to the desired shape. First, the rubber sheet is heated to make it elastic. It is then extruded to the desired shape for the component part in which it will be used, the sidewall for instance. The extruded rubber is then cut into an appropriate length to match the tire size. The calender process makes the ply and belt. The number and thickness of the steel cords changes depending on the tire size and the application, and the cords are coated with rubber. In the cutting process, the materials made in the calender process are cut into the appropriate length according to the tire size and the application. The ply creates a frame to support heavy loads and withstand impact and is cut perpendicularly across the steel cords. The belt is cut diagonally to give it a stronger structure. The bead-making process uses steel wire to make the rings that fasten the tire to the wheel. First, galvanized steel wire is coated with rubber. These are then coiled into beads for the tire size. One bead in an off-the-road tire for construction or mining vehicles uses nearly 10,000 feet of steel wire. Finally, rubber is attached, and the bead is complete. The building process is where the component materials made in the other processes are assembled. First, the inner liner, which acts as the tube, and the plies that are the tire's frame, are rolled on a spinning drum. This is called the band stage. Beads are then set on both sides of the plies, and the edges are folded over to encase the beads. Then the sidewalls are added, finishing the first stage of the process. In the second stage, the shape of the tire is modified and belts are applied. The tread rubber is attached during the laminating process. Because of the thickness of the tread for large and ultra-large off-the-road tires, rubber that has been heated and made elastic is stretched thin and then applied in multiple layers until the required thickness is reached. A tire whose building process and laminating process are completed is called a green tire and will then go to the vulcanizing process.
Tires are made individually in the factory, so the skills of our team members are very important. Consequently, we emphasize operational standards to ensure that all team members can make the same tire, always following the standards for safety and quality. By adhering to disciplined and consistent manufacturing processes, Bridgestone tires are uniform and meet the highest standards for quality, performance, and durability.
In the vulcanization process, heat and pressure are applied to the green tire. First, the green tire is placed in a metal mold. In the mold, heat and pressure are applied at a high temperature with high-pressure steam for a designated length of time. This fuses the component materials at the molecular level and adds rigidity and elasticity to the rubber. After several hours, the tire is finally completed. The last process is the final inspection. All completed tires undergo a 4-stage inspection. First, the tires are weighed to confirm that they are built to our exacting specifications. An X-ray inspection ensures that the steel cords inside the tire are uniform and that there are no foreign materials inside, things that cannot be seen with the naked eye. This is followed by a visual inspection. Specially certified inspectors check each tire using their eyes, their hands, and their expertise to make sure the tires meet the highest quality standard. Finally, the tire undergoes an ultrasound inspection. Ultrasound waves are used to make sure that there are no irregularities in the thickness or other properties of the tread and other component materials. Only tires that pass all these inspections are shipped as finished products. Throughout each of these processes, information about each individual tire is registered and maintained in a computer database.
Our thorough inspection process of our off-the-road tires ensures that they can provide dependable service that gives our customers peace of mind. The inspection process is designed to make absolutely sure that no inferior tires are sent to our customers. Bridgestone's mission is serving society with superior quality. We take pride in the fact that our reliable inspection process makes a contribution to this mission.
The Aiken plant, which began operation in 2014, is Bridgestone's newest off-the-road tire plant. As with all Bridgestone plants, the Aiken plant uses state-of-the-art manufacturing technologies and quality management systems. The 1.5 million square foot Aiken plant was constructed with many sustainable features and materials in alignment with Bridgestone's global commitment to the environment. The plant is built to LEED Silver construction specifications. In addition, sustainable and advanced technologies were used throughout the facility. These include special roofing, insulation, and composite materials in all areas of the plant and its retention ponds and water harvesting areas. Bridgestone also took steps to protect and reconstruct the site's original natural habitat by planting indigenous species of vegetation to support the life cycles of various local wildlife. Employees and area residents can learn about biodiversity conservation through on-site educational initiatives. The high quality and excellent reputation of Bridgestone off-the-road tires is the result of our dedication to the best manufacturing processes and listening to our customers in the mining business. Bridgestone will continue to make sure we're building the right tire to meet the unique needs of each and every customer.